Collected Essays of Valerie Lynn Stevens. Homonoia, the Mind Universal. As children, we learn to see ourselves through the eyes of the other, which very soon become our own eyes through which we discern an often distorted self-concept. And until we accept the complex, arduous lessons of individuation, embracing each our own salvation and redemption through the practice of personal accountability, we run the risk of peering too deeply within the mirror of others' reflections of us, thereby losing our center and direction. Yet we eventually come to realize, through the wounds that others have inflicted upon us, that rejection and criticism are often masked regard and esteem in cunning disguise on the part of our so-called persecutors. And we learn of the necessity of authenticity and truth uncensored as the keys to both heaven above and heaven on earth. And if we also learn to occasionally let down our guard just enough to the light of the realization that how others see us is how they see themselves and everyone else, will we slowly come to terms with the sweet synchronicities of this mortal experience and human condition, and the immaculate unity holding it all intact. For we are all truly the same organism, merely undergoing each our own variant phases of development and expression. Indeed, it is the very vagaries and complexities of our human condition which allow for its exquisite diversity, beauty, and grace. Ultimately, by embracing truth at all costs, are we courting true redemption and transcendence, as some fine day we will finally come to see ourselves in our totality of entity, bathed within that kind of light with which the shadow has learnt, once and for all, to peaceably coexist, and thus will we come to see that we were indeed all along fearfully, wonderfully, and perfectly made.